Yeah, I'm going to start the class within 2 minutes. Today I will discuss about the question paper pattern. As per the board syllabus, I will discuss what weightage they are given as per the board sample paper. The marks distribution, how they have done, I will explain. The marks distribution, I will explain that. As per the board sample paper, the marks distribution also I will explain. See, in CBSE term 2, if we consider in CBSE term 2, the maximum marks will be 40. Question of maximum marks will be 40. Term 2, if we consider term 2, maximum marks is 40 marks, and the time duration, time allowed. For this exam, they are given time allowed 2 hours. Time allowed 2 hours. Term 2 exam, maximum marks 40, time allowed 2 hours. This is the time allowed 2 hours. Now, in the question paper, we have 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. Question paper, we have 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. 3 sections we have. So the time maximum marks 40, time allowed 2 hours, and 3 sections we have. The marks distribute like 3 sections we have. In 3 sections, they are asking here in A here, this is 2 marks questions. This is 2 marks questions, and this one they're talking about 3 marks questions, and this is 4 marks questions. 4 marks, they're asking 4 marks. Because total 3 sections will we have. 2 marks, 3 marks, and 4 marks. They distributed like this. In here, you can check that in section A, 2 marks question, there are given 6 questions. Question number of questions will be 6. So number of questions you can think about. Number of questions will be, they're asking here, number of questions will be 6 here. Here number of questions will be 4, and here number of questions will be 4. This is the number of questions. That means 6 into 2, 12 marks. And here this is also will get here 12 marks. And this is we have 16 marks. This is the total weightage. See, 12 plus 12 plus 16. 12 plus 12 plus you will get total 40 marks. Total 40 marks. The paper is given like this, total 40 marks. Now, in this 40 marks, I hope everyone can see the board. Please in the chat box, you can let me know. Is it clear about the screen, any one of you? My screen is clear. Please share me your the chat box. Please let me know. Is it clear about the screen? Just say something in the chat box. Yeah. Is it clear, Yuvraj? It's blur. Like, okay, light blur. The board is light blur. Yeah. If I can just 1 minute. If I keep another light, is it fine now? You can see, is it fine now? No. It's the same. You can't say anything what I have written here. Okay. Now also it is same. No change. Do you find any change now? Same. Oh, you're not finding any difference. You can't see that. Oh, it's not readable. Right is coming. Uh, okay, fine. If I extend this, can you see now? Now is it fine? Yeah. Is it fine now? Then okay. Yes. Now about the term two. Okay. Thank you. The next class I can improve this. Fine then. Now I'm talking about the term two. Maximum marks 40. Time allowed 2 hours. And we have three sections ABC. The marks distribution I'm talking about here. Three sections. 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions, and 4 marks. Number of questions will be 6 in section A, and 4 in section B, and 4 in section C. So total we have 6 to 12 marks. Again, section B 12 marks, section C 16 marks, total 40 marks. In 40 marks, question number 14. Remember, question number 14. When they're talking question number 14, the weightage will be the question number 14 will be case-based question. This will be case study question, it will be there. Case-based question they will ask. Case study question will be there. Question number 14, case-based question. In that, this question number 14, they will give 2 marks plus 2 marks. Two sub questions will be there. Two sub questions will be there. In the case study question, 2 marks plus 2 marks, total 4 marks. So this is the overall question paper pattern. Now, as for the sample board paper, the marks distribution also I will tell you now. What I observed as for the board sample paper, each topic weightage what they are given, I will discuss now. As for the board sample paper, the marks distribution, they are given integrals. The topic integrals. Integrals, they are given 9 marks. Integrals is they are given 9 marks integrals. As for the board sample paper, the marks distribution. Yeah, integrals is 9 marks and application of integrals 4 marks. Application of integrals 4 marks. Integrals 9 marks, application of integrals 4 marks. Now differential equations is given, they are given 5 marks. Differential equations. Differential equations 5 marks. 5 marks. This is the weight, like as for the board pattern, as the board paper, sample paper, I observed that the marks distribution is like this: integrals 9 marks, application of integrals 4 marks, differential equations 5 marks, differential equations 5 marks, and vectors also 5 marks, vectors 5 marks, they give vectors 5 marks, and 3 dimensional is given more marks, 9 marks, 3 dimensional geometry. In 3D given 9 marks, 3D 9 marks. So finally the proper remaining 8 marks probability. Probability is given 8 marks. Total 40 marks. Like again, internal choice will be there. Internal choice. Some questions maybe internal choice will be some questions. Internal choice. You can find some questions internal choice. Now you can see like this: integrals, application of integrals, differential equations, vectors, 3D. As for the board sample paper, the marks distribution is like this. Okay. Now, this is I got an idea about this. It will be like this. Now, today I am going to discuss the 2 marks problems. The 2 marks related problem I am going to discuss only 2 marks related problems as for section A. 2 marks problems. Integrals. Around 15 to 20 questions I will discuss different models. 2 marks questions. Now, see that if you go to the 2 marks questions, all together entire integrals, either indefinite or definite, they about. We'll discuss about the 2 marks questions related to. Now the topic is integrals. Integrals 2 marks questions. Sometimes they may ask for 3 marks also. Sometimes they may ask for 3 marks also. Now, see, observe that one. What type of question they are asking here? They may ask different types of questions here. I will discuss now the 2 marks questions. Like few, because I selected few questions which are important models. The first one, integral cos inverse of sin x dx. Integral cos inverse of sin x dx. It will cos inverse of sin x dx. Integral cos inverse of sin x dx. So think this problem. When they're asking into cos inverse of sin x, how to find this cos inverse of sin x dx? Here I can write sin x means this I can write cos inverse of sin x by again cos of 90 minus x. Correct. I can write like this. Now cos inverse of cos. So integral pi by 2 minus x dx. Now you apply the integral now. This one pi by 2, 1 dx pi by 2x minus x square by 2 plus integral x dx x square by 2 plus c. So this will be the one of the problem they may ask for 2 marks, cos inverse of sin x dx. Next one. See that the next problem, I'll do integral cos 2x, integral cos 2x. When I'm explaining, suppose if you're thinking to repeat the problem, please let me in the chat box. I can repeat one more time or twice, thrice, so I can repeat if you want. Next, integral cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin x plus cos x whole square dx. integral cos 2x by. See, there is a problem here. Cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Cos to sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now, in this problem, you observe here, cos 2x, we know that cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x. Formula, we know that cos square x minus sin square x. I can express this one, cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin. The product of this I can write a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Now this one I can write cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Right. Of writing this, then I can eliminate this, right? Now you can observe here the derivative of denominator is numerator. Check, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos minus sin x. You can apply the formula here. You can use one way substitution method. Otherwise, you can do integral f dash x by, we know that integral f dash x by f of x dx. It will be log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. Now you can see the derivative, you can find derivative of this will be this. You write the formula besides this, then you can write derivative of this is this, I can write. Since we know your derivative of this part is this, I can write log mod sin x plus cos x plus c. Otherwise, what you should do, another method, you consider sin x plus cos x is equal to t. You consider another substitution method. Consider sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Then find derivative. You will get this one. Correct. The derivative will be here. You following this. Otherwise, you are not following formula, right? Consider another method. What I am saying here, you can consider sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Then cos x minus sin x dx will become dt. So same problem, if you want a substitution method, I can also deal with the substitution method. So here of writing this, I can consider sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Sin x plus cos x is equal to t. You find derivative of this, you will get cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. It will come like this. Then this problem will become, if you use substitution method, 1 by t dt. So log mod t plus c, log mod t plus, then replace t with sin x plus cos x. Replace with sin x plus cos x, that will be your answer. Replace t with sin x plus cos x. You will get that will be your answer. Right away you can write this. Now another problem. Integral log x whole square by x dx. Integral I can write integral log x whole square by x dx. I given log x whole square by x dx. When they are given log x whole square by x dx, here you take again the substitution, log x is equal to t. 1 by x dx, derivative of log 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So I can write this one as dt, right? The problem will become t square dt. T square dt. This will become, integral t square dt, t cube by 3 plus c. Then log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Otherwise, here you can learn one more formula also. What is another formula here? You can write. Now, for example, you can see integral f of x whole power n, f dash of x dx, f dash of derivative of this. I can write f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. I can use this also. I can use that formula also. I can use it. We can use this formula also. Now you can observe here, this is I have done without formula, just I have taken substitution method. If you don't want substitution method, because you can write, observe this formula, derivative of log x is 1 by x. You rearrange that. Log x equals to 1 by x. You apply this formula, same answer it comes. Either you can use substitution or you can use this formula. Next, another one. The most important, another most important concept, you can consider the concept is integral root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. Take root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. The root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. Alright, integral root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. Alright, that integral root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. Integral root of 1 minus sine 2x dx problem. We do that here. Specifically, this is most important one. They may ask 2 or 3 marks question this one. They may ask for 2 or 3 marks. Integral root of 1 minus sine 2x dx. They given like this. To solve this problem, before you remember, whenever root of x square, always we write mod x. Root of x square will be mod x. Root of x square will be mod x. Probably we write root of x square mod x. Now you can observe here. This one, 1 minus sine 2x, can I write 1 minus sine 2x? 1 minus sine 2x means I can express this. I can write cos square x plus sine square x minus 2 sine x cos x. Correct? I can express like this sine 2x. This will be right cos x minus sine x whole square. Cos x minus sine x whole square. If I write this integral, I'll get this one cos x minus sine x whole square. But here, the most important point, they are given limitations here. That is important here. They are given minus pi 4 less than x. That is important to decide this value. Here, you write the condition also. Sometime I can write minus pi by 4 pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2. The given x lies between pi by 4 to pi by 2 condition. Pi by 4 less than x less than, that is the condition they given. X lies by pi by 4 to pi by 2. But what I suggested you, when you are finding root of x square, that will be mod x. Whenever you want to find root of x square, that should be mod x. Correct? That should be mod x. X lies between pi by 4 to pi by 2 is given. But if I use the same condition here, it will come mod cos x minus sin x. Mod cos x minus sin x dx. But which one I should consider? Between pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2, always cos x minus sin x will be negative. Between pi by 5, because you can see cos 45 will be around root cos 45 root 2. So 1 by root 2. 1 by 0, x 0.7 and cos pi by 2. That is going on 0. But sin value will be, so again this is 0.7 sin 91. So this value you can see here, between pi by 4 to pi by 2, cos x minus sin x will be negative gives. The value will be negative. Definition of mod x equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0, equal to minus x when x less than 0. So here cos x minus sin x is negative between pi by 4 to pi by 2. So it comes now, I'll write minus of, this will come cos x minus sin x. It will come like this. So written minus of this, minus of this. Now you simplify this. I can write minus integral cos x sin x. Integral minus, you will get integral sin x minus cos x, you will get plus cos x. Okay? After doing integral now. So what I have done here, just after you can see here, I have taken this minus of integral cos x. Cos x is sin x. Integral sin x minus cos x plus cos x. This will be your plus c I can write. That will be your answer. Correct? That is the required answer you will get. Correct? You will get like this. Also you can verify this. This will be negative. You will get here if you multiply with sin x minus cos x, it comes. Sin x minus cos x. Now if you multiply this, the result will come sin x minus cos x. I multiplied minus of this. So okay, I can write this one like this will be our answer, right? Even the people they will multiply directly here, they will write integral sin x minus cos x. So the answer will be minus cos x plus sin x. It comes, you can check that. If they write like same thing, it comes. Answer will be correct. Right. Is clear? This problem is clear. This is the important model between pi by 4 to pi by 2. So I have one doubt, sir. Suppose if they given x value between, see, by 4 to pi, but they are given 0 to pi by 4. If they given 0 to pi by 4, you will get this will be reverse. 0 to pi by 4, if you take this will be positive, it will come cos x minus sin x only. Between 0 to pi by 4, if they give x lies between 0 to pi by 4, mod cos x minus x will become only cos x minus sin x. Since pi by 4 to pi by 2 minus of cos x minus sin x, that is most important one. Remember that. Next one, integral x cube by x plus 1 dx. 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 So look into this problem. X cube by x plus 1 dx. Here this is x cube by x plus 1. X cube is an improper fraction. When it is improper fraction, you should try to get denominator in the place of numerator, or you should divide. You should divide this. You should divide x cube with x plus 1. The simple method, try to get x plus 1 in the place of numerator. How, sir? This one, can I do one thing? X cube, I can add 1 cube, minus 1 I can add. I can split this x plus 1, right? Dx, 1 cube plus 1 cube minus 1. But we know that a cube plus b cube, I can split that. A cube plus b cube. If we write a cube plus b cube, this is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. No, one method is you can do division. Suppose without division also we can simplify like this. Now you can split this by this. X will get cancelled. X square minus x plus 1 dx minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. I can write like this. Now you can observe here. This one integral, this will be easy. You can write x square x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x. Derivative of x plus 1 is 1 minus log mod x plus 1 plus c. Minus log mod x plus 1 plus c. So like this you can find integral x cube by x plus 1 dx. The question they may ask either 2 marks or 3 marks they may ask. So this is the problem. Be careful whether you can do division or you can simplify like this. Now do it another one. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by integral 2 minus 3 sin x by integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. Cos square x dx is also important model. 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. Now can I split this? If I can split 2 by cos square x, 2 by cos square x dx, 2 by cos square x dx minus 3 into sin x by cos square x, I can write this one cos x into cos x, right? I can split like this. Now this will become 2 into 1 by cos square secant square x, 3 into this sin by, you can consider sin by cos, you will get tan x 1 by cos secant x dx, right? Now you know that the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So integral secant square x tan x 2 tan x minus derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. So integral tan x secant x is secant x plus c. I can write like this. So 2 tan x minus 3 secant x plus c. This model also most important model. This problem is most important model. Generally again, the problem again you can observe here. They may also ask integral tan square x dx. That is also most important one. Integral tan square x dx. Whenever they are asking integral tan square x, many people they may do mistake when they are doing the problem. Integral tan square x dx. Integral tan square x dx. So what is integral tan square x dx? Because the corresponding derivative we don't know here. They are asking tan square x. Remember, 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. You remember this. From this tan square x I can write secant square x minus 1. The main problem here only, many people they may do mistake here. By mistake, they may write 1 minus secant square x. So better to write right side. From this, look into this, you write. Don't do the mistake. Always 1 plus tan square secant square x. The people without writing this part here directly, they may write by mistake 1 minus secant square x. I observed many times. Observed many times. So you can observe this one. Integral secant square x tan x minus 1 dx will be x plus c. X plus c. You can also practice integral tan cube x, integral tan power 4x dx also. That they may ask, sometimes they may ask integral tan cube x also. Suppose if they ask integral tan cube x dx, suppose you can think, if they are asking integral tan cube x dx, then you can write this one. Same concept here, I can write tan x into tan square x dx. Suppose if they are asking tan cube x dx, tan x into tan square x dx, then tan square x I can write secant square x minus 1 tan x into secant square x minus 1 dx. Secant square minus 1 dx. Now this I can write two integrals. Integral I can write tan x into secant square x dx minus integral tan x dx. Integral tan x dx. We can express like this. Now you can observe here. Then the most important one, derivative of tan x is secant square x. Or you can use substitution method. Tan x is equal to t. Secant square x dx will become dt. If you want, you can use substitution. Tan x is equal to t. This will become secant square x dx is equal to dt. It will become dt. I can write this is t, integral t dt. I can write integral t dt minus this one integral tan x. We know formula. Integral tan x dx log mod secant x or minus log mod cos x. I can write this one log mod secant x. Log mod secant x. Now I can see here integral t dt t square by 2. It will come t square by 2. I can write t square by 2 minus log mod secant x, log mod secant x plus c. What is t? You can replace t means what is t here? Tan x, tan square x, tan x whole square. I can write tan x whole square by 2 minus log mod secant x plus c. I can write log mod secant x plus c. So the people, the formula, if you don't know, you can use like the substitution method. Otherwise, I can suggest another formula. You can write, I told you, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Whenever integral f of x whole power n, f dash of x dx, the derivative is here. I can write f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. I can use that. Same thing I can write, you can see now the derivative of same thing. Tan x derivative is here. Tan square x by 2 it comes. I can write tan x means whole square tan square x by 2 I can write. That formula I can use it. When you are using that formula, you show the formula besides the problem. That is important. Otherwise, use substitution method. Any one of them you can do that. So like this tan x, tan square x bit is tan cube x. Similarly, you can try also tan power 4x also. Tan power 4x, same concept. When you're taking tan power 4x, it will become tan square x into tan square x. You will get tan square x. Instead of here, it will come. So tan power 4x, that is also important model. When they're talking tan power 4x, suppose tan power 4x, this will be tan square x, tan square x. This part other will come. Multiplying this one tan square x, this will become tan square x. Correct. When I'm talking about this one tan power 4x, if they're talking tan power 4x, this will become like this. This will substitution will be same. Here you will get t square, but here the change will come. When I've taken this one, so in the change will if you take tan power 4x, tan power 4, tan square x, secant square x minus 1, tan square x, secant square x minus tan square x. So this will come t square dt. If you use substitution, t square dt, or if you use formula, there you can write t square dt minus, since tan square x, again tan square x you can write secant square x minus 1 dx. So this will come into t square t cube by 3 minus secant square x will get tan x minus x plus c it comes. Now replace t with tan x, tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus c it comes. So learn integral tan square x, tan cube x, tan power 4x. Chances are there any one of the questions they may ask. Should be careful. Tan x, tan square x. I discussed integral tan x. Directly you can write log mod secant x or minus log mod cos x. Tan cube, tan square x, secant square x minus 1 I should write. Tan cube, tan power 4. Should be careful all this combination. The people may confuse about this. I hope you understood this. Now, another one. Integral 1 by, this is also most important one, integral 1 by sine square x into cos square x dx. Integral 1 by sine square x into cos square x dx. So look into this problem. 1 by sine square x into cos square x dx. This problem also, try to understand this problem also. When they're given like this, so how to think? In the place of 1 you write sine square x plus cos square x. You write this by sine square x into cos square x dx. You write sine square x plus cos square x. You write that. Now when I have written this sum, now you can split easily, you can split now. Sine square x plus cos square x. Now you observe here. So now you split this by this, you write 1 by cos square x. You write this stuff out clearly. Plus this by this, cos square x, I can eliminate 1 by sine square x. 1 by sine square x, right? Now, what is 1 by cos square? Secant square x dx. 1 by sine square cosecant square x dx. Cosecant square x dx, right? Now, but we know integral secant square x is tan x. This is tan x. But integral cosecant square x is minus cot x. Tan x minus cot x plus c. Tan x minus cot x plus c. This is a formula, tan x minus cot x plus c. This is the most important one. Like trigonometric functions, 2 marks, 3 marks is related like this, they may ask. Now another one. Coming to integral. So if you want to repeat any problem, please tell me in the chat box, send me the message. I can repeat the problem. No problem, I can repeat the problem. I may get message after 1 minute or so, no problem. I can repeat the problem, any particular question if you want. Now integral 1 by 9 plus 4x square dx. 1 by 9 plus 4x square dx. See here, when they're given like this type of 3 problems we have. 3 types of problems. Why? Because we should know integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. 1 by a square minus x square dx. 1 by, you can write like x square minus a square dx. Like we have 3 problems will be there using this concept. They may ask 3 type of questions. 3 type of questions they may ask. What about this one? You write this one. 1 by a square plus x square. You know 1 by a tan was x by a. You know 1 by, you can write 1 by a square plus x square dx. That formula you know that. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Correct. 1 by a square plus x square dx. But coming to here, 1 by a square minus x square. This will be 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a log mod, you can write a plus x by a minus x plus c. A minus x plus this one. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. The people may confuse about the last 2. So you should be careful here. Without confusion, you should be careful these 2. Always remember a square minus x square. You write a plus x, a minus x. Now compare these 3 here. This one all both positive means I can write 1 by 3 square plus 2x whole square dx. Now you can compare this one. But when I'm doing this method, you should be careful. You should be careful here. 2x whole square. If you compare with this, in the place of x, 2x I have. If I'm doing this method, I can write 1 by a, 3, tan inverse of, I can write 2x, a means 3. Compare the first formula, 3 I can write. But the people, they may do mistake here. They may forget the derivative of 2x I should divide. The derivative of 2x I should divide. When I written like this, I can write into 1 by 2 I should write plus c. Then it comes answer 1 by 6 tan inverse of 2x by 3 plus c it comes. I should divide the derivative of 2x. The people, they may do mistake. So to avoid that, this is also better method. But to understand, some people, many people, they may forget to write derivative of 2x 1 by 2. To avoid that, the same problem I can also do like this. So what I will do now, the same problem, to avoid that problem, I can take it 4 common. So 1 by 4. This will become 9 by 4 plus x square dx. So make it x square coefficient as 1. To avoid that problem, make it x square coefficient as 1. 9 by 4, 1 by 4. I can write 9 by 4 means 3 by 2 whole square plus x square dx, right? Now we can observe here. This was now I can compare 1 by 4 into 1 by a. This is a. You'll get 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by 3 by 2 plus c. Now say same as the previous answer, same thing. This will become 1 by 6 tan inverse of 2x by 3. 2x by 3 plus c. Here, the people, they may no need to forget here. If you write like this, automatically x coefficient is 1 only, no issue that. The previous method, you should be careful. But here, if you are taking, always make it x square coefficient as 1. In all the three formulae, x square coefficient should be 1. You can make it like this, you can do that. The question they may ask any one of that using these three. Simple, if they are 9 minus, if they are at 9 minus, the problem will become this. Writing the part is same thing. You write, suppose they're given, this is the answer, right? Suppose they're given 9 minus. They change this one 9 minus. No, 9 by 4. This will become minus. So the answer, if it is minus, then I will change the answer here. If it is minus, I can write like this. You'll get this one 1 by 2, 1 by 4, this as it is. What is 1 by 2a? 1 by 2 into a means 3 by 2. Then I can write log mod 3 by 2 plus x. Follow the second formula by 3 by 2 minus x plus c. I can simplify this. I can simplify 2 to cancel. This is 1 by 12 log mod. You take LCM 3 plus 2x by 3 minus 2x plus c we can write. So that like that when you're learning one or the other two also you can write. You can remember the formula. This concept is also important. Total we have 9 formulae. 3 like this, another 3 with root. Same from with the root will be there. Another 3, the same function will come in the only numerator. So this total 9 formulae, definitely at least one question they may ask, they're using the 9 formulae. You should be careful with that. Now, coming to the another one. So when I'm talking with the root, so think about with the root, the denominator with the root is there means, suppose for example, most important one, integral 1 by root of 5 minus 4x minus 2x square dx, most important model. The question they may ask either 2 marks or 3 marks, they may ask this one, either 2 marks or 3 marks. So root of 5 minus 4x minus 2x square dx. You think this problem. When they're given like this, the formula I should think. What formula? Again 3 formulae. Now you can check that. They're given 5 minus 4x minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Here always take minus 2 common. X square which always x square quotient 1 always it should be 1. So you take minus 2 common. This will become here x square. I will get plus 2x minus 5 by 2 it comes. The entire expression. Take minus 2 common. You'll get minus 5 by 2. Use perfect square method. Now here I can write this one minus 2 into. I told you this simple method. X you write. Half of this coefficient you write. Half of this coefficient is 1. X plus 1 whole square. Verify. X square plus 2x plus 1. Plus 1 immediately you should write minus 1 minus 5 by 2. We added plus 1. Subtract minus 1 here. Minus 2 into x plus 1 whole square. This is minus 7 by 2 it comes, right? Minus 7 by 2. Multiply the negative, since root is there, this will become, you can write, if you multiply with the negative here, then I can write 2 into, this become 7 by 2 minus of x plus 1 whole square, right? It will come like this. Since root is there, if you take inside, this will become 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root of, this one 7 by 2 can write root 7 by 2, root of 7 by 2 whole square minus of x plus 1 whole square dx. Correct. You write this one formula, you write this is important. Sir, the people they may forget to take minus inside. They may copy as it is. Since root is there, I can't consider minus. But always we want x square coefficient as 1. Take then after that you take inside. We get like this. Now root of a square minus x square. Try to remember the formula root of a square minus x square. The people they may use sometime, they may consider x plus 1 is equal to t. But here, that way also can do that. Instead of that, what I will do, derivative of x plus 1 I can divide. Now you remember integral root of x square. So what is the formula? Integral root of a square minus x square sine inverse of x by a. Remember that formula. Integral, if we consider integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx, this will be sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula sine inverse x by a plus c. So now we can use this 1 by root 2 sine inverse of x plus 1 by root 7 by root 2 plus c. I can write this, I can write root 2 x plus 1 by, I can, this one root 2 x plus 1 by root 7 I can write, use that formula. Learn another two formula also. At least if you learn formula, doing the procedure same, you may get x square, integral 1 by root of x square minus a square or integral 1 by root of a square plus x square. Learn those two formula also. It is better to learn those two formula also. Correct. You know those two formulae, right? So that if you remember, that will be good. Okay, another what is another two formulae? Integral 1 by root of, I can write x square a square x square minus a square dx will be log mod x plus root of x square minus a square dx. It was so not a plus c, so plus c. Correct. To write this one. Another one, integral 1 by root of, I can write a square plus x square dx. So log mod x plus root of a square plus x square root of a square plus x square plus c. Remember all the three formulas, any one of the questions, like total 9 formulas should remember. These three also should remember. Next one, integral 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 model. This is also important model. You can see x square plus 2x plus 2. See, there is no root here. There is no root means I can use the formula without root. I can use the formula here. See this one. Another 5 more minutes. Now I can come this one. X square plus 2. I can make it this one. X half of this question 1 whole square. Verify. X square plus 2x plus 1. I can write this one. Plus 2 means another 1 I can write. This is simple to write. So 1 square. Now 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. I can write. Derivative of x plus 1 I should divide. In the previous problem also you got 1 by root of root 7 by root 2 whole square minus of x plus 1 whole square. They have written there also sine inverse of x by a. There you should divide derivative of x plus 1. That will be 1. I didn't discuss about that. There you should learn derivative of x plus 1 is 1. But here also derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Then I can write like this 1 by a tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. Since derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Now after this, sometimes they are asking find the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x. Antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x. So what they are asking, what is the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x? When they are find the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x. When they are asking antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x, the meaning is directly find dx only. When they are asking antiderivative, is nothing but they are asking to find integral only. You find integral, this is x power 1 by 2. So you can write x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by root x. This is x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c I can write. You know integral x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become now, this will become 3 by 2, 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. This will get minus 1 by 2, will get minus 2 by x power 1 by 2 plus c. It comes like this, you'll get, correct, this is, you got it 1 by 2, you'll get, this one I have written, sorry, this is, you'll get 2 into x power, you'll get this is minus 1 by 2, 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus c it comes. Like 1 by root x, 2 root x, same thing it comes, 2 root x. Or this is also written plus, sorry, plus only this, not minus, plus only. Because 1 by root x, x power minus 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2, by 1 by 2, 2 x power 1 by 2 plus c. That will be your answer. When they're asking antiderivative, you should find integral only. Another important one. So because I remember whenever they are talking about root x, they're asking one type of another question. When they're talking root x means, see, this is also another important one. Integral 1 by root x plus x dx. 1 by root x plus x dx. This is the most important one. 1 by root x plus x dx. Think about this problem. 1 by root x plus x dx, most important model this. 1 by root x dx. So how to do this one? To solve this one, you take root x common. This will, if you take root x common here, this will become 1 plus root x dx. Just verify this, correct? Take root x common. You consider 1 plus root x is equal to t. If we take this as t, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Correct? You will get 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. From this I can write 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Most important model. This one I can write like this part. You see this part as 2 dt. I can write 2 into 1 by t dt. We know that derivative of t is 1. 2 log mod t plus c. 2 log mod, because log x or log t 1 by t. Log mod t means 1 plus root x plus c. 1 plus root x plus c. This model is important. That model is important. So almost I got around 15 questions. Now another 2-3 questions, simple questions I will discuss today now. Get an integral. Then with that I can stop. Integral x plus 1 by x plus 3 x plus 3 dx. Integral x plus 1. So just partial fractions. Integral. With that I can stop around 15 questions. Next class I can continue the remaining problems. Just you can see integral x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 3 dx. Just if we consider like this, x plus 2 3 x plus 2 dx, just apply integral this one partial fractions, x plus 2 x plus 3 dx. Now you split this, x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 3. Because we have two factors, right? I can write two factors. The first factor x plus 2 x plus 3. Correct? We have like this. Try to find this, let it be linear. Only one constant, this linear, one constant. Find a and b values. To find a and b, very simple. I can, to find a and b, I can write here. So let it be x plus 2 equal to 0 means you can think x equal to minus 2. If we consider x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, except this factor. So x equal to minus 2 implies a is equal to except this factor, x plus 1 by x plus 3. Substitute in this, minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 3. It comes here. You will get minus 1 by minus 1. It comes 1. It will come 1. So a value will be 1. I'm trying to find the a value and b value. A value I got 1. I want the b value. So x plus 3 equals x equal to minus 3. You take x equal to minus 3. B except this factor. X plus 1 by x plus 2. Then you can sub minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 2. It will come minus 2 by minus 1. It will be 2. Right? Verify whether I have done correct. Verify this. X equal to minus 3 I have taken. Then minus 3 plus 1 as minus 3 plus 1. It will be, substitute that, minus 3 plus 1. It will be minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 3 plus 2. It will be minus 1. That will be 2. You can verify that. Correct? Just you substitute the values here. When you take x equal to minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by minus 2 plus 3, it will be, you will get 1 only, it comes. Correct. Now you can check that value, you can verify. Is it, you can understand that one? Right? The simplification, you should be careful when you are doing this part. That is important. When you are doing this part, you should be careful when you are simplifying this. Correct. Is it clear? The values are getting, you should be careful. Understood here? They are given x plus 1 by x plus 2, x plus 3. They have given. I have separated this a by x plus 2, b by x plus 3. When I have taken this to find a value, you take x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 remaining x plus 1 by x plus you can consider. Substitute in this minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 3. If we substitute this value, it comes here minus 1 by, it comes again. So you can see here, that is the reason you will get minus 1 by, this is 1, you will get minus 1 here. See, be careful. You got minus 1 there. Here you got minus 1, correct. A should be minus 1, not 1, right? A should be minus 1. Is there a is minus 1? If this becomes remain minus 1, we'll get minus 1. This will be now okay. Correct. Now this is correct. This is 2. This is right. Correct. I think x equal to minus 3. B is 2 is right. Perfect. B is 2 right. Be perfect. Now when you taken, now you take the values here. After finding the values, then I can do integral. This one I can write integral minus 1 by x plus 2 dx. I can write 2 by x plus 3 dx. 2 by x plus 3 dx. Correct? That one you will get this one. 2 by x plus 3 dx. Yes, you are right. Everyone right. This is minus 1. Derivative of x plus 2 is 1. I can write minus log mod x plus 2. Derivative of x plus 3 is 1. 2 log mod x plus 3 plus c. 2 log mod x plus 3 plus c. 2 log mod x plus 3 plus c. Okay. Now, the almost I completed around this one around 15 to 16 problems. The last problem, integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. Integral e power x minus 1 dx. Integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. These are most important problem. They may ask either 2 marks or 3 marks, they may ask, but most important one. Integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. E power x minus 1 dx, most important model. This is the most important model. 1 by e power x minus 1. This what I will do to take this problem, I can take e power x common. If I take e power x common, 1 minus 1 by e power x dx. Just take e power x common. You take e power x common. This problem will become e power minus x by 1 minus e power minus x dx. You take 1 minus e power minus x is equal to t. You take 1 minus e power minus x is equal to t. Now derivative of this minus e power minus x into minus 1 dx is equal to dt. E power minus x dx is equal to dt. Most important model. You can take like this. Take e power is common. E power minus x. This is equal to t. Derivative will be e power minus x dx. This will become dt. You have taken this as t. You got 1 by t dt. When it is 1 by dt log mod t, we know that 1 by t log mod, this will answer is log mod t plus 1. So log mod, what is t means? I can, what is t means? 1 minus e power minus x plus c. 1 minus e power minus x plus c. Some people they may write e power, again they may write, they can stop here. Or some people they may also write log of 1 minus 1 by e power x plus c. They may also write log of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. But not required that much. You can stop here. This is also correct. This also, it is also right. It is also right. So almost today I have covered around 20 problems I covered. So almost around 20 problems I covered. I will continue the next session, the 2 marks and 3 marks combination. They will ask either 2 marks or 3 marks. Already I have collected around 40 to 50 problems in the case of 2 marks, 3 marks. Definitely the question 90% they may ask, maybe 90 to 95% they may ask from what I have covered the questions. Models I am covering. So everything I am covering the models. I hope I can try my level best to get good score, to maximize your score, to improve your score. Definitely I am here to help you. See you in the next class. Then thank you and good night. If you like the session, yeah. So make it in thumb. Good. Fine, everyone. Thank you.